Right, Android Auto, all you do is go to Bluetooth and you got Xtrons. Obviously you can connect it via the USB cable or you can do Bluetooth, which is what I'm doing here. Just press on it and you're going to start connecting and going to ask you to pair it. My one's already been connected, but at least you always show up is how to pair, and you press pair and it will come up with that. And as you can see, it's already loading. So it's going to take us to the main screen straight away to the Apple CarPlay, sorry, Android Auto. Right, so that's all connected. Obviously I'm not going to share my location. The BBC radio just came on because obviously that's the normal thing that happens when you connect to it. But obviously you have your map here and your messages. The voice control is going to be here. Obviously the usual thing that you do when you use your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, it's going to show up and it's going to work spot on. Obviously you got all the stuff that you got, all your apps are on there. So like I said, you all guys know how to use this. I just wanted to show you that it connects to it spot on with no issues. You got your signal there, the battery life, the time, the messages, everything that you want is on there, and whatever apps you got installed. So that's nice and easy. Again, via Bluetooth, and at any point you can go back to the home screen, so you can play normal radio. So that's all good. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.